Now, here's how you can make iPad recording take up less storage. So you might be recording your screen or use the camera to record stuff. So let me begin with the camera. Now, if you want to lower down the size of the finished file, you can check out the settings and then go to the camera section where by clicking on the record video option, you get to pick the resolution and quality. So depending on your iPad, of course, but some iPads can record in up to 4K 60 FPS, and this is going to take up a lot of storage. So you can change it to, for example, 1080p at 30 FPS, or just 4K at 30 instead of 60 to just lower down the size. This also applies to some other things as well. If you're capturing photos and whatnot, you can also play with the formats to make the size go down. However, when you are recording the screen of your iPad, you don't have these controls to choose the resolution, but what you do have is the ability to adjust it later. Because if you have a finished video or screen recording in your gallery, you can use a video editor, for example, CapCut, where you import the clip into the video editor and essentially export it in a smaller size. So you can technically lower down the resolution as well as the size of the file. You make it smaller, you kind of compress it like that, and you essentially end up with a smaller file. So these are the ways how you can achieve this. Let me know below in the comments if it worked. Subscribe for the next tutorials, and I'll catch you later.